Once upon a time, in a meadow bursting with flowers of every hue, there lived a baby rabbit named Floppy. One sunny afternoon, he came upon a little girl sitting under a large oak tree. Her name was Lily. Lily's eyes widened with delight. "A talking rabbit," she exclaimed, though in reality it was Floppy's expressive hops and wiggles that spoke to her heart. From that day on, Lily and Floppy became the best of friends. One day, the sky turned gray, and a storm threatened the peaceful meadow. Lily brought Floppy home with her. The storm brewed fiercely outside, but inside, Floppy listened to Lily's stories until he fell asleep.
By creating videos like this, you can earn significant money. Using just one website named Moot-ion AI. All you need to do is write a half-line prompt and this Moot-ion AI will create everything for your images, animations, story, voiceover, background, music. Everything is managed within one AI tool. So let me tell you how you can create 3D cartoon animation videos using this tool. But before that, please make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel. It's free to you, but it will help me create more useful tutorials in the future. Step 1. Once you complete the registration process and create your account, you will be taken to the main workspace. After scrolling down a bit, we will see the gallery section. Here you can explore a diverse collection of stories created by AI itself. You can see that every time you create a new account, you get 300 free credits, which are renewed monthly. To get started, click on General Creation button. After arriving at this page, you will now type your single-line story prompt in the prompt box. If you don't have a story prompt, you can also generate a story using the various prompts given here. However, if you have already generated a story from ChatGPT, you can paste your story here using the Use My Content option. But I want to generate my story using this tool, so I enter my single-line prompt. After this, we will choose the language in which we want to generate the story from the many languages available here. Then we will select the tone from here. I select the children's tone. Next, we will select the aspect ratio of our video. If we want to make a video for YouTube, then choose 16:9, and if we want to work on TikTok or YouTube Shorts, then we will choose 9:16. Next, we will select the visual style of our video. I select 3D cartoon style. And then click the Generate button. The AI will take a moment to process your inputs and generate the story. Here you can see that AI has generated a complete story with visuals as per our prompt. If you want to make modifications to this story, you can edit it from here. If you don't like the image, you can regenerate it. You can animate any scene you want to animate by clicking on the Animate button from here. But I don't recommend this tool for animation. I will go ahead and tell you how we will animate our visuals. Click Next button to go to the next step. After coming here, we can select the title of our video. If we want to add subtitles, we can select the style of the subtitles from here. Next, we can choose the scene effects, transitions for our video as we desire. We can choose any voice from the many free voices available here for voiceover. Finally, we can select any music we want as the background for our video from the AI music available here. Once we are satisfied with all our settings, we will click on the Composite button, and it will start generating a 3D cartoon animation video for us. In a short time, he has created and given us a complete cartoon animation video. Let's check it out by playing. Now, before moving on to step 2, let me tell you that there are some problems for you here. One is that you will see a watermark in the background of the story video. The second is that if we want to download this video, we will have to buy their subscription package. If you want to make videos on this platform by purchasing their subscription package, you can buy it from here, which are quite economical packages, but since we have to create a 3D cartoon animation video for free, we will move on to our second step. But before entering the second step, we will click on the Storyboard button, and save all the images and the AI-generated script to our hard disk. Step 2. Vidu AI is an excellent free tool for animating images. By clicking the link given in the description below, you will come to Vidu AI website. You can scroll through the homepage to get a quick look at the kind of the features this AI tool provides. To get started, first sign up, create a free user account and then log in. After login, you will have this interface in front of you. You can see that you have got 80 free credits, which is enough to create about 20 videos, as it takes 4 credits to create each video. Furthermore, 80 credits are recharged in your account every month. But if you want to make more videos, you can get credit by logging in with different email accounts. To get started, click on Image to Video button, and here upload the image you want to animate. In the description box, if you want to give a prompt for your image, you can give it, it's optional. Leave all the other settings below as they are, and click the Create button. In a short while, AI has created an animated video for us. Let's watch it. You can see that it has provided an excellent animated video. To improve the quality of the video, click on the Upscale button. By clicking the Confirm button, it will upscale your video in 4 credits. After upscaling, the video quality is much better than before. Click the Download button to download the video. Using the same method, you will convert all your images into videos one by one. Step 3. In this step, we will do a voiceover for our story. Although we had done the voiceover with Mutai AI, but since I didn't like that voiceover that much, that's why we will choose Elevenlabs for voiceover. After clicking on the link given in the description, we will go to the Elevenlabs website. Here we will go to the text-to-speech option, then we will paste our story which we generated through Mutai AI script in this text box. After that, we will click on this button to choose a voiceover for our story and select any voice from the numerous voices available here, such as I will select Josh's voice. Click on the Generate Speech button and in a short while, your speech will be ready.
Once upon a time, in a meadow bursting with flowers of every hue, there lived a baby rabbit named Floppy.
Click on the Download button and save your voiceover. Step 4. In this final step, we will choose any free video editor to combine our animated videos into a complete story video. I choose CapCut. First of all, we will import all our clips and then drag them to the timeline. Then we will drag our voiceover to the timeline and adjust these clips according to the voiceover in the timeline. Then we will apply transitions to them.
In a meadow bursting with flowers of every hue, there lived a baby rabbit named Floppy. One sunny.
And finally, click on the Export button to export our story. In 4 simple steps, you have created a fully animated, engaging 3D cartoon video from scratch. All you need to do is upload it to your platform of choice and start attracting viewers. And most importantly, this all created by completely free and with easy-to-use tools. I hope you've learned new things from this video. If so, I expect you to like the video and share it with your friends. This will give me motivation to make the next video. Subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on upcoming AI videos.